Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Cracker Hori. I am Animation. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. Okay. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we are going to discuss the mean and variance of Weibull distribution. Okay, let's start. Weibull distribution. As we know that PDF or probability density function of Weibull distribution is fx equal to alpha beta into x to the power beta minus 1 into e to the power minus alpha x to the power beta. Okay, and mean ex or expectation is equal to integration 0 to x greater than equals to 0. Integration 0 to infinity x fx dx. Integration 0 to infinity x alpha into beta x to the power beta minus 1 into e to the power minus alpha into x to the power beta dx. Okay, alpha beta into integration 0 to infinity x to the power beta into e to the power minus alpha x to the power beta dx. Now we put x to the power beta equals to my alpha into x to the power beta equal to z. Therefore alpha beta into x to the power beta minus 1 dx equal to dz. Okay, x to the power beta dx by x equals to dz by alpha beta. X to the power beta dx equals to x into x means x to the power beta equal to z by alpha, x equal to z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta. Therefore z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta into dz by alpha beta. Okay, z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta into dz by alpha beta. Limit of the integration will remain unchanged, as when x tends to infinity z tends to infinity also, and when x equal to 0 this tends to 0 also. Okay, is equal to alpha beta integration 0 to infinity z to the power z by alpha to the power 1 by beta into dz by into z into e to the power minus z e to the power minus z and x to the power beta z by alpha and into dz by alpha beta. x x to the power beta dx means x to the power beta dx means x to the power beta dx. X to the power beta dx means z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta into dz by alpha beta and e to the power minus z. 1 by alpha to the power 1 by beta into integration 0 to infinity z to the power 1 by beta plus 1 minus 1 into e to the power minus z dz. Okay. X to the power beta dx equals to z by alpha to the power 1 by beta dz by alpha beta. From gamma function we know that gamma n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x x to the power n minus 1 dx. From gamma function we can write this as gamma 1 by beta plus 1. Okay, therefore mean of the Weibull distribution is this one. Now we have to calculate the variance of Weibull distribution. To find the variance of Weibull distribution, first of all we have to calculate Ex square. Similarly, Ex square is equal to integration 0 to infinity x square into fx alpha beta into x to the power beta minus 1 e to the power minus alpha x to the power beta dx. Mean Ex is equal to 1 by alpha to the power 1 by beta into gamma 1 by beta plus 1 mean. Similarly, integration 0 to infinity alpha beta into x to the power beta plus 1 e to the power minus alpha into x to the power beta dx. Similarly, we have to put alpha into x to the power beta equals to z. Okay, and it will be converted into alpha beta. Limit will remain unchanged. Limit will remain unchanged as when x tends to infinity, z tends to infinity also. When x tends to 0, z tends to 0 also. ठीक है? Therefore, x to the power beta equals to z by alpha. X equal to z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta. Therefore, x into e to the power minus alpha x to the power beta into x to the power beta dx. Alpha beta 0 into alpha x z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta e to the power minus z, and that of x to the power b dx is equal to z by alpha whole to the power 1 by beta into dz by alpha beta. Okay, very easy, but some calculations are there. Okay, is equal to integration 0 to 1 by alpha to the power 1 by alpha to the power 1 by beta plus 1. 1 by beta plus 1 integration 0 to infinity z to the power 1 by beta plus 2 minus 1 e to the power minus z dz. Okay, z to the power 1 by beta plus 1. Z by alpha whole to the power beta into z by alpha whole to the power beta. X to the power beta dx means this one, and x equal to z by alpha whole to the power beta also. Therefore, it will be z by alpha whole to the power 2 by beta. 2 by beta. 2 by beta plus 1. Okay. One by alpha to the power 2 by beta into gamma 2 by beta plus 1. Ex square means this one. Therefore, variance x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square. Ex whole square equals to 1 by alpha to the power 2 by beta into gamma 2 by beta plus 1 minus 1 by alpha to the power 2 by beta ex whole square gamma 1 by beta plus 1 whole square 1 by alpha to the power 2 by beta gamma 2 by beta plus 1 minus gamma 1 by beta plus 1 whole square. Therefore, variance of Weibull distribution is this one. Okay, very easy, but some calculations are there. If any doubt arise, then comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.